Hey there, Plastiques! Welcome to yet another video. It's Joe, and you're watching Plastique Chat. And today we're customizing dolls. This was originally supposed to be a tag at the end of my work in progress video. Rachel is not releasing one for her doll. I was watching back, it ended up being quite a lively conversation, and I want her doll to have its justice and its own airtime, so I decided to release it as a separate video. Before we get into it, make sure to thumbs up this video and subscribe. Please help my channel grow. We are getting there to 1,000 subscribers. You could be a plastic too. I hope you enjoy. So we have finished our dolls, and Rachel is joining me. She's in the middle of nowhere right now, right?
I'm in the middle of darkness, nowhere, Midwest.
We could finally reveal what our dolls are. We said we were going to do the classic Rankin stop motions. So what we ended up doing was the Heat Miser and Snow Miser.
It's one of my favorites. It is one of my favorites. I love them so much.
I mean, I have to admit, it was the first time I'd seen it, and I loved it.
Yeah.
They're both just so deliciously camp. I love it.
In very different ways, which makes it awesome. Like, there are things, like, 'cause I rewatched it when I was making this, there are things I didn't notice about each one of them, even though I've seen this every year since I came into this earth. I love it. I still love it to this day. It's still one of the best. I love Santa Claus.
And I've had the song stuck in my head.
Yep.
Mr. Snow.
Yeah. Welcome to hell, bud.
But yeah, let's reveal our dolls.
Alrighty. Are you ready?
Ready.
First of all, it has a wand / a staff.
Oh, wow.
I found it at Michael's, dude. Oh. No, I found it at Michael's. Still. But I got the things to put it in your hands.
Oh, that's what I forgot. I forgot to make a freaking...
Ready, are you ready?
That was inappropriate.
Bruh.
Don't do that motion when I'm about to show my doll.
Oh, wow.
I'm trying to hold
Oh.
Ain't she pretty?
Oh, wow. She's gorgeous. Oh, wow. Where'd you get those sequins?
I got it at Michael's. Hold on, let me fix her crown. So here she is. And the cool thing about the sequins...
Oh, reversible.
Yeah, it goes from red to yellow.
Oh, wow.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
She's got orange little tights. She has no shoes. Don't tell anybody. Yeah. And then, I don't know if you can see that well, but her lips are sparkly.
Yeah.
Then her fingernails.
Oh, wow. Ooh, I love the loops that you did around the fingers.
Yeah! I think they look like fashion.
Fashion.
I know, I can't just like throw the doll. But yeah, her skirt is reversible. I made her own hoop.
Oh, what? That is.
I made a hoop.
Is that made steel or what?
No, it's aluminum wire and floral tape.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
That is sturdy.
Yeah. Oh yeah. No, she's not moving. But I did figure something else cool, and this will help you 100% in the future. So this is a Wild Hearts crew, right? Mm-hmm. This is Candy, what's her name? This is her hair. They must have nylon hair because I dyed her hair.
Oh wow.
You look, you have her, you know her.
Yeah.
Pink. So I dyed them yellow just to make them not stand out as much, and it worked, and it didn't ruin the hair.
Oh
so,
wow.
What's Barbie? Saran. Saran is the other one.
Yeah.
Yeah. I thought it was gonna be Saran because I've dyed that before, and I'm like, oh, this is a hellscape. But it's.
Yeah, I love the hair. It's very like modern.
Yes, yeah. I made a deal with myself that this one I would 100% not reroute or do anything with the head. Her original hair. But yeah. I think she came out great.
Gorge. She looks gorgeous.
She's got little jewelry earrings.
Oh wow.
Yeah, she's beautiful.
Yeah, I love it, and I love the style. She like it's very like graphic.
Yeah.
Simplified.
Yeah.
Wow.
Fashion. Cute. Alrighty. Your turn. And then this is supposed to be her little like staff.
Yeah. That's awesome. I was gonna
So
make a
it's-
freaking staff. I totally forgot. I
No,
might
you
make it up.
good.
I might make it up to this video.
Do it, dude.
Just a really quick one.
Do it. Alrighty. I want to see
Okay, so I got the snow miser. So here's my
Miss
Mrs.
Snowman.
Snow miser.
I love it. I love that outfit. Oh, those shoes are great. Dude.
Yeah, so I took.
Awesome.
Thank you. I took a Monster High body from Abby. I took an Abby body.
Yeah.
And I modified it. So I cut the legs, the torso, the arms, and then extended everything by like a quarter of an inch. So she's actually a lot taller than a Monster High.
Oh my god.
And then like I sculpted on top and then sanded it. And then this is where I had so many freaking disasters.
Yeah.
The epoxy is great, but it doesn't always stick. So it would break, like if I handle it too much, it would like crack. And then I had to keep super gluing it and then sand it down, and then another place would crack, and then I had to super glue that, sand it down. So it was just like a lot of sanding. And then the head was the Vladana head.
I was gonna say, is that the pearl doll?
Yeah.
Like it.
And I sculpted it even more, so I added like a bigger nose, a bigger chin, and
Yeah.
elf ears. I don't know if you can really see.
Oh, I love it. Is the hair yarn again?
Yeah, the hair is yarn.
Oh, great.
I'm still obsessed with. I mean, that was like the easiest part. The hair was took me like less than an hour to do.
That's so beautiful.
Did it just get dark or?
It did. It was kind of cool though.
Oh. But yeah, I patterned the dress myself. I made the shoes.
Did you? Okay.
I am so proud of the shoes.
Yeah, they look awesome. Are they built on? Did you build them from scratch, or are they built on like Barbie shoes?
From scratch. I did warbler. So I had some warbler and then I cut it, shaped it, and then put fabric over it, and then the heels are UV resin. So
oh yeah, I love that stuff.
Icicles.
That's so awesome.
But yeah, and then rhinestone. Yeah, and don't look too closely, but her chin is where it also cracked because I was stupid. And I decided to do the face paint before I attached it to the body. This was my freak out yesterday because I was putting the head back on the body after everything was painted.
Yeah.
And then it was like the torso broke, the neck, the face cracked like down here, and then all the paint like basically like cracked off. And I was like, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. But I fixed it somewhat, like sanding it down and then like repainting. Don't look at the chin too much.
Still, dude. Did you make the hat or did you find the hat?
Oh, I made the hat. Yeah.
That's rad.
Yeah, the hat was made from. I don't know if you ever heard of buckram.
No, what's buckram?
It's like this cotton material that's like heavily starched.
Okay, hard.
Yeah, I mean it's not hard. It's like they use it to make hats.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Appropriate then.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, I had some over. I had like everything like was from my stock.
Yeah.
So this is all stuff I had in stock.
I love how different they look. Like genuinely, like that's the whole kind of point.
Yeah.
I love that so much.
I mean, I was like, okay, I kind of want to do like a more cartoony face up, but then
Yeah.
it just ended up looking like a drag queen, like it always does.
But I mean, to be fair, Snow Miser would 100% be a drag queen. Let's just be
Yes.
That's awesome. She looks great. I love that outfit. I can't say that enough. That outfit
Thanks.
is fantastic.
The face up was so hard, actually.
Was it?
There's no molded features. It's all just flat.
Oh yeah, it's flat.
So I had to like, I was like
The
sketching.
the fact that your hands went from like this to like,
Yeah, I had to like sketch, erase for like I think like 2 hours straight until it was like symmetrical. I mean,
Jesus.
I don't think it's that symmetrical. Just don't look.
It doesn't look bad though. For having nothing to work with, like at least these have like basic. Here's where the brow was, or like on Monster High where they have the entire eye sculpted. That's awesome, dude. She looks great. I mean that seriously. She looks fantastic. She looks awesome.
I mean, I think I'm gonna style the hair after this video more because I literally
But
just glued it on, and I was like, okay, let's just film.
It's still great though. I like it. A plus for like, making her taller too.
I mean,
I love when that happens. If you look at your Zoom right now, when the light catches her just right, it just looks like a spotlight has hit her, and that's perfect.
I'm Mrs. Snow White.
Oh, she looks great, dude.
Thanks.
Good
So,
job.
I mean, I'm so proud of us.
Yeah, we did it. We
Yeah.
did it.
Even with our very unrealistic expectation to finish it on December 12th, what the hell were we thinking?
This dress took the longest. This outfit took forever.
I mean, it does. It has so many layers.
It took forever. I was really happy because I almost made this out of zip ties. And then I realized when you zip tie things together, there's a big bulky part, which is the zip tie.
Yeah.
So I was like, okay, I'll just do wire then. I think it turned out great. This is a human sock that I sewed together and then dyed orange.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, they came out great.
The scarf is a sock, actually.
Yeah! That's rad.
Yeah.
I love it.
But it's kind of falling apart.
Someday I'll make her shoes.
I just gotta say thank you so much for starting this journey.
Yeah!
With me.
No problem. I'm gonna put it on this wanky doll stand for a second. Yeah, no, dude, of course. And I at least wanted to finish these because these are rad. And I love seeing, like, people do these. One gets one gets the other.
Yeah.
I come from a snowy climate, and you come from green Christmas.
Oh, yeah. I mean, it is like 80 degrees today. So.
Oh, God, I wish that were me.
God, I wish it was snowing. I'm so sick of this damn heat.
Well, now you have Snow Miser, so you can at least pretend.
Yeah.
And I can have Heat Miser, where I can be like, oh, yeah, I'm back in California. It's 80. No, dude, this was fun. I wish you the best in the future, and I know you can handle it. You know what I mean? Like, I know you can do all of this. I mean, look at this doll. Look at the series of dolls behind you. You got this, dude. Look at it. They're all stunning.
Yeah, these are all my customs from this year.
They could be sisters. Yeah, dude, you made... Look at those. They're so awesome.
Thanks. And, I mean, you are incredible. I learned so much just from working with you.
Oh, yeah. And this doesn't mean you can't text me and be like, for the love of God, please.
Oh, yeah, I'll be
What?
texting Mila.
Yeah, what paint do I use here? And they all look so different. Look at this diverse portfolio of dolls. I love it.
But yeah, guys. This is Rachel's goodbye.
It is my goodbye. Is this my last time saying click the links below?
Yeah. There are still like a few videos with you in it that I haven't released yet.
Past me. Ghost. Yeah. We did it in this white void. And happy holidays.
Yeah. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Okay, I'm gonna hit the leave button. Goodbye.
Goodbye.